Here we go, this is the first one. It's an MG. I'm not quite sure of the model, but a nice car, nice example. Classic wheels of the day. Yeah, it's just a standard MG. I think these could have been, I'm not sure, 1500 engine. But yeah, nice car, nice example. Basically standard. There you go, that's the first one. Right, here we have the second car. Very nice 1982 Porsche 944. And if we just go round to the back, you can see it's English registered 944. And if we look in the back, it's got the original manual for the Porsche, which is worth an arm and a leg. And there you go. Very nice car, very popular, very fast as well. Not only in the day, but now. Car to be reckoned with. Nice example. This next one, very popular in Russia, Poland, quite rare here now. Lada Niva 4x4. I don't think the tyres are legal because they've got different treads on each axle, but there you go. Really, really nice condition. Traditional, original inside. Big steering wheel. Let's just have a quick look at it from the front. Really straight car. Absolutely great condition. Very rare here now and in the UK, Spain, Europe, especially in this condition. Nice car, becoming very popular and sought after. It's a nice car, Pontiac Firebird. Not sure the year. I think it's around the late 80s, I'm not sure. Mid to late 80s, but nice example. Not my cup of tea, but nevertheless another nice car. There we go, a 944 Porsche. No, it's a 998. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's turbo V8. 911 50, yeah. It's actually, it looks black, but it's not. It's a very, very dark metallic blue. Nice car. This one here, MGB GT. Nice example. Absolutely lovely condition. The guy's had it 35 years. And when we take a look in, really nice car. There's your engine. Really good straight original condition.
Yeah. It's original engine. Nice. It's still on the original crank, untouched.
Really?
Yeah, it's only had 1/20th rebore as well.
Some of these in the day had problems, didn't they, as well? I believe overheating at some point and things.
Not if you look after them, they don't.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
If you look after them. I mean, the old fan comes on and goes off. It normally has a mechanical fan. And they make noise, sap horsepower, and throw shit all over the engine. So.
No, it's very nice straight car that.
400,000.
There we go. I've just been told it's not British Racing Green, but it's a similar, very similar. A little bit lighter than the British Racing Green that we all love and remember. Beautiful wheels, original, and the car's done 400,000 miles. The owner, as I said earlier, has had the car for 35 years. Stunning. Here we have another American Buick. Looks in straight original condition, as you can see by the paintwork. Lots of wear and tear, but nevertheless classic American muscle car. Absolutely lovely, just love them. You can see there you have that one, lovely car. But as I say, well worn and very original. I think it's around the, I don't know, late 60s, early 70s, I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll just have a little walk. These are the cars that have turned up so far. Now, as long as this Volvo I don't class as a classic, why that's here I just do not know. But the Lada Niva really quite rare in the UK, Europe, Spain. There's your MG. Again, this CLK, why that's there I just do not know. All this Audi. There you have at the end, you have the 944 Porsche. Again, very nice car, but it's on English plates. Spin it around. And we've got the Golf, Volkswagen Golf GTI just turned in, which we'll take a look at. And the TVR that we've already seen. TR6, sorry, TR6. And why this is here again, I just do not know. There's another run, see if I can get this one right. Having a problem with the camera because I can't see what I'm doing exactly in the sun, but there you go. MG, Lada Niva, lovely example, very rare in Europe and the UK. Nice example of the MG. As I say, why this one's here I don't know, and why this one's in the classic car I don't know. And then at the end we've got, as we've seen before, nice Porsche 944, lovely condition. Yeah, that will move. Nice car. Have a nice Volkswagen GTI. K-Reg. I don't know, is that 1972? I'm not quite sure. I believe they was 72 K-Reg. And again, we've got the TR6. Really nice motor, excellent example. Take a look at this, but I'm not entirely sure why that's here because it's not a classic. Special car, but I don't know why it'd be a classic car show. I just I don't get it. There you go, nice example. Cadillac, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful condition, original condition, but it's obviously been had lots of work done over the years. Absolutely superb. Another nice classic car, Ford GT. Not sure of the year. It's actually no, it's a Dodge GT. I'm sorry, Dodge Dart. Very similar design of the early Cortinas at the front, but then again they was influenced by the Ford cars of the day. Beautiful car. Let's take a look inside. The Catalina, first time I've seen one of these. Absolutely lovely car. Beautiful condition, leather upholstery. I have to excuse the different languages because there's people here now, and lots of languages: Scandinavian, German, Russian. Yeah, it's a Pontiac. Unbelievable. I've not actually seen this model. Can't remember seeing it for a long time. Pontiac Catalina 400. That's one big motor. Next here, another beautiful car. White wood tyres, colour of the day. Another Thunderbird, absolutely stunning. Look at this. Upholstery beautiful. The inside. Absolutely stunning car. 1959. There you go, look. 1959 Thunderbird. Iconic tail lights, which sort of passed on to the Mark I Cortinas of the day in the UK, and one or two other cars. In fact, they've come around again using the round rear lights on cars. Stunning. Just run these by you again. American classics. Absolutely stunning. There you go. Volkswagen Beetle. Not seen one with this colour before, but actually really quite nice. Very straight, original, lovely big wheels on it, look at them. And the classic red upholstery. It's got a different steering wheel on, but it's absolutely beautiful. And of course it's got the soft top. Registration. There we go again, absolutely beautiful Chevy. This car wins just about everything wherever it goes, especially here. So there you go, beautiful. I think it's the same model they use in the horror film Christine. Next to another Chevy truck. Absolutely lovely vehicle. This one not really a classic, but an example. Beautiful Mach 1 Mustang 5 litre. Not a classic, but a beautiful car. Very fast. But absolutely fabulous car. Dodge. Absolutely stunning. Not sure the year, but I'm sure people out there will know the exact model. Pilar 500. But look at that. It'll be a V8, probably V8 engine. There you go. Original upholstery. Absolutely stunning car.